also got an online beauty business.
Yeah.
And you've just told me you've written a book. You are like Superwoman.
No.
Tell me about the online beauty business.
Okay, so 3 years ago, my girlfriend Celeste was working in the online beauty business, and I had the idea of starting a unique online beauty business that only stocked cruelty-free natural products that had a low environmental impact. And so I rang up Celeste and said, do you reckon we could do something? It would be a really good thing for me to do on the side to learn about small business and what it would be like to sit on the other side of the fence. But it'd just be something really fun and creative, because I think this is a really good, unique opportunity. And I thought at that time that we would have a few boxes in my spare room. And I said to her, you know, I'm out Monday to Friday. I can't do anything Monday to Friday. So are you okay to sort of lead and run with it? And Celeste absolutely loved the idea. She actually grew it and blossomed it into a much bigger idea, and we've now got a warehouse in Geelong, and we employ her full time, and we've also got another co-director, Sarah, who's fantastic with the networking and getting the brand out there. So it's really exciting because we are really making a positive social impact in getting people to switch their brands from brands that test on animals to brands that are cruelty-free, to brands that use glass instead of plastic or have an environmental position. So it's a really fantastic business to be a part of. It's been lots of fun as well.
So what are some of the products you can buy?
Oh, we've got so many. We've got fantastic Inika makeup. We've got lots of natural deodorants, natural perfumes, but also products to clean your clothes or to clean your house. So obviously having a young toddler, I didn't want him sort of running around on the floor or in the bathroom with chemicals in there. So we've got a whole range, and majority of our brands are from Australia because we love supporting other Australian brands, and most of them are female found or female led, which is really exciting. So what we do with those brands, we kind of just help them with social media marketing and putting their brand under our umbrella, and then getting the message out to as many people as we can.
That's cool. I'm definitely going to go on after
yes, please do.
this afternoon and update
Have a look.
Update everything.
Yeah.
And in terms of, I suppose, having that on the side and practicing law, how has it helped you with your legal career?
I think it's been really good because it's put things into perspective in that, I've had to really make sure that I'm scheduling everything in and using my time efficiently. But it's also been good to learn more about myself, because I've learnt I actually don't want to quit the law and run a beauty business. That's not my forte, and it's been really good to work with Celeste, who is fantastic at running the beauty business, and to say to her, let's boost you up, let's give this to you to run, and really just learning how to take a back seat and being supportive in a different way. So it's been interesting learning. Obviously I'm a leader in the law, but then really being a support person in the online beauty business has been a good learning curve. And also I think from a legal perspective, as lawyers, we often think that businesses need the whole kit and caboodle when it comes to legal protection, but actually running a small business, you're on a bootstrap. You've got to do things a little bit cleverly sometimes. So it's been good to learn how to work creatively so that you don't have a huge legal spend, and that's something I'm very conscious of now when I'm advising businesses.